Welcome back to CodeCraft by Mac. In the last video, we covered polymorphism in Python, one name, many forms. Today, we are going to learn about another essential OOP principle, that is encapsulation. Encapsulation means binding data and methods into a single unit and restricting direct access to protect the data. Let's take a real life example. Think of a capsule pill. It hides the medicine inside. You don't need to know what's inside, you just consume it. Similarly, in programming, encapsulation hides internal details and exposes only what's necessary. Encapsulation in classes. A class of student with function init self.name is equal to name and self.grade is equal to grade. Here the class student keeps data and methods together. That's encapsulation. In Python, we use naming conventions to control access. Public means accessible everywhere. Protected means should not be accessed directly. Private means name mangled and harder to access directly. A public example: class student with function init self.name is equal to name. An object S of student class with parameter Ali print s.name is accessible because it is a public method. In protected, self._name is equal to name is equal to an object S of student class Ali. When we will print s._name, it is not recommended but it is possible. Private example: s._name with print will give you an error because it is private is not accessible, but with s._student_name, that is class, and with parameters you can access with name mangling. To safely access private variables, we use getter and setter methods. A class student with function self.name is equal to name. Function get_name will return self._name and set name will set the name with self._name is equal to name. Let's take an example. An object of student class with parameter Ali. When we call the print function s.get_name, it will print the name Ali, and s.set_name will set the name Sarah for student class, and when we will print s.getName now, it will print the name Sarah. Here access is controlled through methods instead of directly. Why encapsulation? Encapsulation helps us protect sensitive data, control how variables are accessed and changed. It improves security and reliability. It keeps code clean and organized. Encapsulation is everywhere. Banking apps hide balance details. Libraries expose APIs but hide inner code. Classes in Python frameworks protect internal states. So that's encapsulation in Python: building data with methods and protecting it using public, protected, and private access. In the next video, we will explore the final OOP concept, that's abstraction in Python: hiding implementation details and showing only essential features. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep learning with CodeCraft by Mac. Thank you.